This is a ReflowR quick start tutorial. This is the power input, Wi-Fi antenna, the start button and the auxiliary thermocouple input. Open the test kit and instructions. Sort all the parts, extra components, scrap PCBs, flux, paste, battery, test PCBs, stencil parts, tweezer and squeegee. First build a pasting frame with the scrap PCBs. Orientate and align the PCB and stencil. Then stick the stencil with tape on the one side to make a flap. Take some paste, spread it out along the edge of the squeegee and paste the board. Practice this several times until you get a good result. Now grab the tweezers and start placing the parts, following the diagram. It is worth searching for and watching some of the many YouTube videos that show how to effectively hand pick and place a large number of parts. There is also a project called OpenPNP that helped me build my own pick and place machine with vision from 3D printed parts for under $500. You can find some details of that build on my ReflowR.com page. The leads are the only parts with orientation. The diagram shows the direction of the tiny black spot. I intentionally misplaced some parts so I can adjust them later during reflow. Start program 5 and watch the progress on the temperature profile. The ReflowR is designed to follow a programmed profile, keeping within the limits, thus ensuring proper preheat and soaking time, which is vital to activate and release the chemicals in the paste that enable proper wetting and adhesion between the parts and the pads, thereby enabling the surface tension to optimally pull the parts straight and form good solder joints. The ReflowR also allows access to the components during the reflow process, so it is easy to adjust misaligned parts with the tip of the tweezers, which then allows the surface tension to take over and pull the parts into alignment. Proper preheat and cooling is also important to avoid sudden thermal shock to components, which can lead to latent defects due to cracking caused by sudden changes in temperature. On inspection, we can see nice fillets indicating good solder joints. Remember to clean the stencil thoroughly. I normally just use a little flux to dissolve and dislodge the paste. Make sure the tiny holes are clear and free of paste. Finally, solder on the battery connector and test the little flasher PCB. Thank you for watching, and please consider getting your own ReflowR from ReflowR.com.